It's a nice teaspoon.
Hey homies, so what's good? It's Chris and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and today we're in the kitchen with my mommy. She's going to be making some steamed red tail snapper steaks. You don't want to miss this one. So in true mommy fashion, she cut all of her ingredients up and seasoned the fish before I could even get the camera in the kitchen. But no worries, if you're following me on Facebook, Mrs. House to Home, or Allthingschris, you will get this week's recipe card. All the instructions, all of the ingredients listed right there. But let's get into this.
Season. And this is onions, green pepper, red pepper, tomato, and she put some curry in there. You saute that with oil. Some snapper steak. So these are snapper steaks. They come cut already? Yeah, I then cut it up by the whole thing and then I then slice it and I cut it into. I'm gonna get the big splash on with me. Okay, like that, it make a slice. See the center bone? So that's 2 slices cut in 4 because they're thick slices. I don't want to fry and then I skip it, so I just do my seasoning. But, So how long do you put that down for? That's like this fish, it's easy and it's like fillet, there's not just that center bone. So I'll flesh it. It's a big fish, you get about the whole fish and then they cut it. And then I cut the slice in 2 because one slice would be too big. So each of this half a slice, so that's essentially 2 slices. Do that and I'm going to put 2 up. So I buy the frozen one because sometimes I use it all the time and one pack will last me a while. Just cut off the top. With fish, or if you have mackerel, so I do them and I put them in the freezer. They're just as good, can't tell the difference. So I make them and then I put them in Ziploc bag, keep rolling it in there and until you get it. See, get a nice, when it's ready, just squeeze it and I put it in there. I have that funny finger, I don't make it show. Cut it off as a chop. That's it.
So do you have to put oil on them or anything?
No,
okay.
I just put them in a Ziploc bag.
And then what did you use to make the dumpling?
Just some flour, a pinch of salt to taste. I don't like salt because I have high blood pressure, both of us. So we use less salt when I do things. That's it.
Oh. Okay, so that makes it easy.
the pot and I need to just take out too. Put in my pot of boiling water and cook.
So this is gonna save time.
Yeah, I have to do it.
So as you need them, you just break off.
Just break off.
So do I need to defrost it or just put it frozen in the hot water?
Yeah, put it on a pot with water. Make the water boil with a pinch of salt. And you just drop them in there.
Okay.
A potato or half a green plantain. The green plantain tastes like banana, so you just...
Or yam.
Or a piece of yam or whatever.
So that is an easy trick. And again, that can go with ackee and saltfish. You can do
go
it with
the liver,
some curry chicken,
oh yeah,
some curry goat,
some saltfish.
Ooh, this is like a avenue for all of your food. Staple, and she's making it the way I like it is to add some cornmeal in it. You can use just flour and water.
Yeah, cornmeal.
But the cornmeal kind of gives it body, like a heaviness, and then the taste is just so good.
Right.
So you can either do fried dumpling, which wouldn't be this way.
You'd have to put baking powder in there to make it fluff.
Okay.
But I tend to use self-rising flour for my
So she does these little... Saves time. If you're coming home from work and you want to do something, or you have some guests show up at your house last minute, my mom always taught me that it's important to have certain things on hand. Now this is the next step, but she always has certain staples in the freezer that she can just flash. What'd you say, Mom? What's the hand? Flash something and make fashion. Something about flash your hand and make fashion.
Turn
your hand and make fashion. Basically, your guests will show up or whoever, and before you know it, you have like a whole meal prepared, drink, salad, everything, because you should have certain things on hand, frozen veggies, whatever. If you go to the meat store, season some of your meat, put them in Ziploc bags, and then you're able to just go ahead and prepare your meal.
2 slices of yellow yam, a piece of soft yam, 2 bananas, and 2 dumplings.
You flavored it?
As always, thanks for watching and stay safe. I'll see you next time.